In Readvox text-to-speech extension, you can choose to see a small blue play button at the start of each paragraph. To turn this feature on or off, 1. Click on Settings. 2. Look for Read starting from Tooltip. 3. Turn it on or off. How to use it. 1. Move your mouse to the start of any paragraph. 2. You'll see a small faint icon appear on the left. 3. Click this icon to start reading from that paragraph. Why it's helpful. You can start reading from any paragraph you want. You can skip parts you don't need and jump to important sections. It's like having a start trigger for each paragraph. You decide where to start listening from.